feel terrible. Don't.
Domain. The domain of a function is the set of all possible x values. The whole lot of them. The set of all
Domain?
possible x values.
Do you have a Spanish test today?
No, we have it on Wednesday.
Oh,
God, the set of all possible x values. Range.
That's a favorite song. And it's time after time by
What's the definition of range?
Time after time.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Range is a distance determined by.
That's a different
value
thing.
Of,
That's there's statistics. There's another definition.
That's so cute.
But use your good brain thinking to go from here to here.
the points of all possible values.
Not
no.
the set of all possible.
The line. The line. No.
Come on.
Of all possible.
Double underline.
I'm just doing all caps.
Y values.
Y value.
Oh.
Like,
Who said that? Did someone say that? Or did I say that?
That was you, baby. All day.
I was just yelled at.
Okay, so in our original example, the domain of that vending machine was what, by show of hand? What's the domain of my vending machine?
Which one?
The one I drew on the board.
There's two.
A1 through B3.
I can't see your hand. Has it been amputated? There it is.
It is pretty empty.
So tell me the domain. Stop it.
It's A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3.
Right, so that's the domain, all of those inputs.
Wait, how?
Now, Connell, what is the range of my vending machine?
Those messed up ones?
Do you remember the range? You can make it up.
I do. I remember.
I don't know.
all of
Was
them.
it the snacks?
Hmm? So what are all of the possible snacks?
Snickers.
Oh, Snickers, M&Ms. Wait, no, Snickers. No. Skittles, Snickers.
Late.
Oh yeah, Lay's, dog kibbles, something eggs, and then Polina's, lame M&Ms.
Yep, there you go. That's the domain and range. So we can do that with a table, or we could also do that with a graph. So let's say, for instance, I have a graph 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say I have a thing that goes like this here.
I don't care. Like, I don't get it. Yes. Like in the different
Okay.
-2.
The domain of this thing here means what other possible x values that happen on this here function. So that basically we're going to make an x interval. I'm going to say x can go from here to here. So I'm going to make an x sandwich.
Wow.
What's the
That's
furthest
pretty cool.
left my x can go?
-2.
Yes, sir. And what's the furthest right my x can go?
3.
Donald Trump.
negative.
Hey. Now, how about this? Is it just less than, or is it less than or equal to? Now, how would you know?
Equal to.
Equal to its close point.
Yeah, we have closed endpoints, so it's also equal to here. So that means x lives in between -2 and +3. That's my domain. Cool. Now the range, on the other hand, it's going to be a y sandwich, and I'm going to say, how low can you go? So what's the lowest y value?
1.
Yes, the lowest y value, uno. And what is the highest y value?
4.
Yeah, it is 4. Okay.
Why'd you look at me like that?
And then are we equal to?
Yeah.
Are we equal at these places?
Oh.
Yes, we are. Groovy, man.
Yeah.
Like that.
Now how about, let's do another example.
could make yourself laugh all day, you literally sit you in a room by yourself and you'd be satisfied.
Why?
You wouldn't even go crazy. You'd sing to himself.
Excuse me. So, domain and range. So the domain, again, we're talking egg sandwiches all day, baby.
Oh, dude, delicious.
So, let me call on Paulina. How far left do we go?
Okay, you do 1, 2, -2.
Yes.
And then
And Alexa, how far right do we go?
4. Or
So this endpoint means
Not
stop. This arrow means.
keep going. Non-stop.
Not me.
So here we go. You ready?
infinity.
I haven't seen that in my life.
Got him.
Pranked.
Dude, y'all are special.
Now, how about, do we need any equal twos? Do we need equal twos?
No.
Nah.
No?
Except for one of them.
Well, it's not going to equal.
You can't equal
How about the other one?
You won't equal infinity. Infinity's like keep going forever. You don't ever reach
How about the
it. You
negative 2?
just keep going. And then this. Calm yourself.
Ow.
This is an open endpoint. That means it doesn't actually touch there. It gets really, really close. And
Infinite.
it doesn't.
It smells it.
Okay, and now the range. Y sandwich. I feel like Molly needs to get in the game now. How low? What's
How low can you go?
yeah?
I'm gonna say -2.
You got it. Ding, ding, ding.
I'm gonna say.
And Renee, what is?
To infinity and beyond.
You have
Buzz
There it is. There we have it.
snort a line, dude. It's crazy.
Snorted math.
Snort a
Okay. One more example, and then I'll shut up.
You don't know. I'm not mocking you. Oh, it's like really playful fighting. Like,
What the?
Well,
that you
no.
were prepared for that.
Ooh. Yeah.
So the point at the bottom is the vertex, and then so the axis of symmetry is x equals 0.
Slow your roll, Padre. Vincetta, perhaps you could help a brother out. Let's do an egg sandwich.
Help a brother out, yo.
How far does this go to the left?
Right? No.
So we got this arrow. This is gonna keep going to the left forever. You can zoom out and zoom out and zoom out, and this will keep doing that.
So infinity on both sides.
So it'll be negative infinity to the left and positive infinity to the right. And now, when this means we could plug any number into this function. We can plug in 0, 1, 2, 3. We can plug in positive, negative, 0, fractions, decimals. We can plug pi into any number. And when you can plug any number into a function, it's called the set of all real numbers. Written like this, funny R.
Oh yeah, that's the real one.
Funny R means the set of all real numbers. Any number.
What is that called then? Well, anyway, no.
Parabola.
No.
Parabola.
I think I'm answering my own question.
Quadratic.
Yeah, quadratic one.
Quadratic function.
Quadratic function.
Okay, that's what I thought.
So the parabola is the shape of it, and the quadratic
Parabola.
is the type of function.
Yeah, that's what
It's parabola and hyperbola. Remember that, Matthew.
I remember that.
Oh, stop it. Stop corrupting today's youth. Okay, so this means the set of all real, so no fake numbers, no fake news,
Fake news.
all real numbers.
Fake
So when any number can go inside of.
Any number, you can go left or right, any possible number. Now the range, Shabi, let's talk about the range. So it's the y values. How low does this function go to?
-2.
Yes, it does. -2. And is it equal to?
Yeah.
Or is it just greater than?
It's equal to.
Does it equal -2?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it actually hits -2, so equal to.
Yeah.
And then, who is it? Matthew,
Yeah.
what's the maximum? How high does that function go, the y value?
Yes.
Beyond.
Wait, but since it's on both sides, how do you know if it's negative
We're flying, right?
Infinity?
Yeah.
So there's positive infinity or negative infinity. And then right left is positive and negative. Okay,
For the y value.
I'm going to give you an opportunity to show me how smart you are.
I'm not that smart. Owen's smart.